Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to Auntie's Kitchen. I hope you're having a wonderful week. And in today's video, we're going to be making a very easy farmhouse loaf in the oven. It's not only crunchy on the outside, but as I cut into it, you'll see that it's wonderfully soft inside, which makes it perfect for making sandwiches. You're going to want to start by preparing your yeast. So get some warm water from the tap, place a little bit of sugar, and this is going to help speed up fermentation. Then add your yeast, give everything a good stir, and then place it somewhere warm for about 10 minutes, which is going to give you time to prepare the other ingredients. Next, into a large bowl, measure out your flour, and I'm using this German flour, which I believe is all purpose, and I find this works really well. Add your salt, your room temperature butter, and then get everything mixed in together. Finally, add your yeast, which should be nice and bubbly on top, and then gently mix this together with the other ingredients with a spoon. While I'm mixing, may I take this opportunity to say hi, and as always, to welcome new subscribers. I really appreciate your support, and a big thank you to everyone for being patient with me while I took a couple of months break to renovate and build my dream kitchen. So I'm not only excited to be cooking in my new kitchen, but to be able to post more regularly again, both long and short form videos. So thanks for watching, let's get back into the video. Once everything roughly comes together, empty out onto your counter. I like to use a bread scraper at first, folding the dough from the outside into the middle. And then I'll set a timer, as you see in the video, for 10 minutes, and I'll knead this by hand. Alternatively, if you have a KitchenAid, then just place on a dough hook and allow the machine to do all of the hard work for you. But for me personally, I like to use my hands when kneading bread dough, as I can then feel when it is ready. Using the side of your hands, form into a ball, then place this back into your bowl with a little bit of oil, making sure to move it around so that the sides are evenly coated, and this will ensure that as your bread rises, it doesn't stick to the sides. Then cover this and place it somewhere warm for 1 hour. After an hour, it's going to have doubled in size. You're going to want to empty this out onto your board and just lightly dust with flour. Fold in the sides to make a rectangle shape, and then flatten this, making sure to push out all of the air. And as you flatten your bread dough, try and roughly get the same width as the length of the baking tin that you're using. And as you saw in the video earlier, I've already buttered this tin, and this is going to make it a lot easier to get the bread out once we've baked it. Roll up your bread dough. I like to pull it towards me, making sure to pinch that final seam and place it at the bottom. Then, using the side of your hands and your fingertips, gently pull and stretch the skin of your dough, tucking it underneath, and then you're going to place this into your baking tin. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, then just to let you know, you can always find a list of the ingredients and any instructions that you need in the description below each of the videos that I post. Push down your bread dough, making sure to fill up all of the space in your bread tin, and then lightly dust with some flour. Then with a cloth or a tea towel, fold and then loosely cover your bread tin, allowing space for the bread to rise as you let it rest for its final 30 minutes. And in this time, you can get your oven preheating 200°C. After 30 minutes, place a tray of water on the bottom of your oven, and this is going to ensure that you have a nice crispy loaf. Then place your bread tin on the middle shelf and cook at 200°C for 20 minutes, then turn down the heat to 180°C and cook for a final 10 minutes. As soon as you take your bread out of the oven, remove it from the tin and place it onto a cooling rack. There is no better smell than fresh bread out of the oven, but it's going to be too hot right now, so you're going to need to wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. When you cut into it, you're going to find a wonderful soft crumb, which is perfect for sandwiches or for making French toast. So I hope you enjoy making this recipe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless.